Hi Christmas crew, my name is Shannon and I want to welcome you here to the Cozy Christmas Cottage. I also want to thank Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. And I have to also introduce our new addition, Honey. Santa kind of came a little bit early to our house. She is a 12-week-old Cavalier / Golden Retriever mix. And I thought it would be so cute to just introduce her, as I'm sure you'll be seeing her around here and there, especially if you follow me over on Instagram. But I'm super excited about today's video. I have some free printables for you, and if you are short on time and you like to keep your gifts on budget, then I have 25 ideas for you. All simple, easy gift ideas that you can just add a tag to, and also some really other great ideas. So we're gonna get started right now. Say let's go. Say let's go, honey. So I've done a lot of the work for you here. All you have to do is go down to the description box, click the link, download the free file there, open it up on your computer and print it off. You'll want to print it on some thicker cardstock. I will link what I use down in the description box below is the cheapest I can find. You'll print them off. They will look like this. So I have 2 pages of some pre-designs and then 1 page of just general tags. You can use them on anything you want. I highly recommend using scissors to cut these out. You can use a paper trimmer, but you're going to need scissors anyway to trim off those corners. Once you get them trimmed, you can take a hole punch and punch a hole right in the little section at the top that's marked for you. So of course I want to show you how to use these tags. You can use them in different ways, and the first one says just soaping, you have a Merry Christmas. So of course you're going to pair this with some type of soap, whether it's hand soap, body wash, a bar of soap, some facial cleaner. You get the idea. This one is just some Mrs. Meyer's hand soap that is some of my favorite, so I tied this on with some twine that I found at Dollar Tree, still keeping this very affordable, super quick and easy. All of these are going to be just like that, being able to just tie a tag onto your gifts. The next gift tag says warmest holiday wishes. You can use this in different ways as well, but who doesn't love a nice cozy pair of socks during the winter season? All you have to do, use some contrasting ribbon, even some Christmassy ribbon, tie it around some socks, add your little gift tag, and voila, you have a quick and easy but thoughtful gift idea. Other ideas you can use for this gift tag are things like gloves, scarves, even hand warmers. Up next is a gift tag that says for your mistletoe. So of course a play on toes here. So get things that would be great for either a pedicure, a spa day, socks, something like that. This is a little inexpensive pedicure set and some nail polish. You could put this tag on one or the other or make a cute little gift set. These are inexpensive cello bags you can get from the dollar store. Just putting a little bit of a ribbon around the top to bundle it up, add your gift tag, and you're good to go. Another great tip to keep things in budget is to shop for your ribbon at the dollar store. They have so many amazing different options now for holidays and different seasons, especially at Christmas time. That's where I get a lot of mine. It's a great way to still keep things very affordable and on budget. Our next tag says, may your holidays be merry and bright. So picking up on the word bright here with a gift of a candle. This candle is actually from the dollar store, so very affordable. I dressed it up with a little bit of vinyl on the front to make it a little bit more special, but put whatever your friends or family's favorite candle is in here. If you want to upgrade and get a little bit more fancy of a candle, you can do that. I'm using another one of those cello bags and taking a rubber band. This is a great tip to save you on some ribbon. So just take a rubber band, close up the top of your cello bag. It'll save you on using a bunch of ribbon to close this up with, but I did use just a little bit of ribbon to then cover up the rubber band and tie on this cute little tag. Also put some crinkles in the bottom of this that are also from the dollar store to add some color. Looking for ways to make the holidays a little bit easier? With Thrive Market you can. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. Thrive Market also has guaranteed savings. Organic groceries tend to be expensive, but with Thrive Market, they can help you cut your grocery bill by 30%. You can shop for thousands of the best-selling organic foods and natural products below traditional retail prices. Find a better price elsewhere, they'll match it. But I also love that you can get pretty much anything you need through Thrive Market, including cleaning supplies, non-toxic beauty items, personal care items. They even have organic kids products, wine, meat and seafood, frozen veggies, and more. Whether you are vegan, gluten-free, or keto, you can shop by over 90 plus diets and values. You can also save time and money by shopping through Thrive Market's online store, and it'll show up right to your front door. I've also included gift tags in today's video for wine, so a bottle of wine through Thrive Market would be a beautiful and perfect gift that is so quick and easy. I've also included a gift tag for the coffee lover in your life too. They have amazing coffee, and I absolutely love their espresso bean chocolates. It's never too early to start shopping for the holidays. You can click the link I'll have down in the description box below or go to thrivemarket.com/CozyChristmasCottage and it'll give you 30% off your very first order along with a free gift up to $50 when you sign up for Thrive Market today. A quick and easy dinner meal idea is another great gift idea. I'm going to show you how to put together a pasta gift set using one of those free printable gift tags. This next tag would be perfect if you are doing a Secret Santa, and who doesn't love quick and easy dinner ideas? Pasta is definitely our go-to here in our house. And this little gift set you can easily put together. You can just tie the tag onto some pasta and some pasta sauce, or if you want to put together a whole dinner kit, grab a gift bag. I love keeping brown bags on hand because they work for every single occasion and holiday, and then just dress them up with some seasonal ribbon, and also don't forget to tie on your Secret Santa gift tag. This was a cute little hair and skin gift set that I got for free with my Thrive Market order. So I decided to use this as a gift and pass it along. That's another great way to save money, is to pass along your free gifts that come with any of your orders. You can tie on a gift tag. This is one of the general ones that just says to and from, so you can add it to any gift you need to give this holiday season. This would be a great gift for a teacher, healthcare worker, office worker, is some hand sanitizer. I know I keep it on my desk and use it all the time, so why not give the gift that'll get used? And I have a cute little gift tag that says Sanitizer you can add on to them, but I thought it would also be fun to show you how to turn your bottle into one that looks like it's a little Santa belt around it, wrapped some ribbon around it, just taped it on to make sure it was removable, used some black felt to create a square, cut the middle of the square out to make the little Santa belt buckle, and then use some twine to then tie on the tag onto the top. I love this idea because even though it's a practical idea, you took some time, took a little bit of thought, made it super cute, which makes it that much more thoughtful, even though it's something that anybody really could use. This is another gift tag you can use in so many different ways. It says have a cup of cheer, be a very easy way to tie a tag onto a coffee mug or teacup. And then here's another extra special way to kind of dress it up. Add a little bit of candy or a bag of candy into the mug and then tie on your gift tag. But this is another great thing you can add to maybe a cup of coffee that you go to get for somebody. Add a gift card to it, add a bag of coffee to it, and add that into your mug. So many different ideas with this. I hope you guys take these ideas and run with it, make them work for you, and especially personalize them for your friends and family who are the recipients of them. A treat for someone sweet. So this is another great idea. You take candy, maybe whoever's favorite candy, decanter it, put it into a nice jar. It just makes it that much more special. Then you can tie some Christmas ribbon around your jar, add your little gift tag, and it just really takes this gift up another notch, but still makes it really, really special, and it's so quick and easy. The snuggle is real, especially when you pair this gift tag with a snuggly blanket like this one. I just rolled it up, added some ribbon around the middle, and tied on that gift tag. And here's a tip. Sometimes I will actually take the product labels off of my gifts so they don't know whether I paid $5 for it or $25 for it. Just make sure you get nice items and they will have no clue. Baby, it's cold outside. This is another great tag you can pair with so many different things. I grabbed some decorative mesh from the dollar store and also some peppermint tea. The peppermint makes it a little Christmassy, but decorative mesh is another great alternative to using ribbon or twine because it really dresses up things without having to wrap them too much. Just kind of tie some around. I did layer in some ribbon that way I could tie on my gift tag to this. It's just a quick and easy DIY gift that took no time at all and is super duper affordable. This tag works with anything that's going to help keep your friends and family warm and cozy this holiday season. Up next, we have one that says, "We wish you a Merry Swissmas," as in the hot cocoa. I found this mug at the dollar store, added a cute little decal onto the front, popped some tissue paper in the bottom, and then added in the hot chocolate. And then we're going to do a faux tag on this, just taking some ribbon, again from Dollar Tree. We're going to attach that onto the top just so it looks like it's kind of hanging on by the tag, but it's not really. We're going to pop that into the mug, and it's just that quick and easy to make a thoughtful gift with the help of a sweet gift tag. I love chocolate, but you'll have to let me know down in the comments below if you do or not. This one's great for the chocolate lover. It says, "The holidays are crazy. Chocolate helps." So quick to add a little gift tag to some fancy chocolate. And all of these next ideas would be great if you have a week of Secret Santa at the office. This one says, "Just popping by to say Merry Christmas." This one says he's making a list and chexing it twice. Great for some popcorn and some Chex Mix. And the next one says, "Popped by to say Merry Christmas," adding a little candy cane onto a bottle of soda pop. So quick and easy. And the last one for a 5-day week of Secret Santa would be, "May your holidays be filled with joy," adding the tag to some almond joy. But how quick and easy was that to create a little gift set that you could give to your coworkers throughout the week? This next gift tag, you'll need two things. It says candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. So some Hershey Kisses and a candy cane. This jar I found at the dollar store. We're gonna make this extra special by adding the kisses into the jar, tying on the candy cane, adding our little tag, and what a cute, cute gift that was so easy. Now this one is so great for the one that you know loves to bake or cook. We whisk you a Merry Christmas. Find a small little whisk. You can find these at dollar store and any retail store, really. Adding some little Hershey Kisses or little candies into the whisk, tie on your gift tag, and you have such a thoughtful gift. And like I said, this would be so great for somebody that loves to cook or bake, so an item that they can actually use over and over again, plus that little treat of chocolate inside the whisk. I don't think you can go wrong with food for the holidays. This tag says, "Just rolling by to say Merry Christmas." You can add this to a thing of cinnamon rolls, but to make this even more thoughtful, you can pair it with some plates to make the quickest and easiest little breakfast idea. Just tie it up together with some ribbon, add on your gift tag. Somebody will thank you one morning, even if it's Christmas morning, that they didn't have to take the time or thought to create food for their family. I can definitely relate to this, and maybe you can too. It says, "In case you need a little more dough for the holidays," another pun on words. We're gonna tie this on to some cookie dough. A little special touch is adding a cookie cutter on there. Just add your little tag with some ribbon. Quick, fast, easy, cheap, thoughtful. It's all the things. We just created 25 simple gift ideas, and make sure you head down to the description box. You can download those gift tags, have them ready for the holidays, and also don't forget to head over to thrivemarket.com/CozyChristmasCottage to sign up over there so you can have your Christmas gifts delivered right to your front door. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays!